情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hello there, time for some Hakka music here on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and we're presenting you the music of Una Ho, He Yun Na, with a song here called When I Was a Little Girl, or in Hakka, Mo Oi Sen Ning Zong Tai. You see, this song is about when we were little kids. We're always full of curiosity and motivation, and oftentimes we can't wait to grow up and fulfill our dreams, right? But then when we become adults and reach our adulthood, we often become weighed down by daily hardships, and we start to think about those times when we were young and carefree. Well, in this song, When I Was a Little Girl, Una Ho encourages herself to bravely seize the innocence of her youth and try to use it to motivate herself through life in the future. Let's take a listen.
When I was a little girl and dream of the world 都是不会讲意义从过意义快乐 When I was a little girl and dream of the world 都是不会讲暗夜嘅風悄悄摸摸拍拍嘅聲呢愛的左的莫愛莫愛聲意中態
这是何云娜的一首《Mo Oi Sen Ning Zong Tai》，叫做《无爱成人长大》哦。在描述我们小时候对所有的事情非常好奇，浑身充满冲劲，常常呢就是盼望着赶快长大，去实现各种梦想。但长大之后才发现世间上非常的现实跟残酷，一路跌跌撞撞，满身是伤，所以呢又想要回到小时候，退回自己的小圈圈，不再受伤。而何云娜呢，就是用这种心境来写成这首无爱成人长大的歌曲，告诉自己呢要勇敢的抓住那份纯真，鼓励自己要向前走下去哦。Well, it's another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin. Hope you liked it. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.